outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me at 5. I'll be on 9, I'll be on all day. I'll be on all day. Put it in 5, I'll be on.
What's up you guys, welcome to yet another video. A bunch of things to run through before I get into the sneaker. As usual, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so first off, a bunch of things from Supreme. Black boxes. These are their power banks, the Mophie power banks. I already have one Supreme power bank. Wait, let me put that up.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so this is the first one that I have. It's a 4060 mAh. I don't know if you can see, it's all damaged and scratched already because I've dropped it a bunch of times when traveling. These two though are much bigger. But what capacity are they? I should be doing my research before I start my videos, shouldn't I? Alright, let's just unbox them and we'll know. This fucking thing feels like a brick. Alright, so the smaller one first. I need to stop saying alright. Nice packaging, Supreme branding right there. So this one charges your smartphone for 59 hours. Jesus. Alright, and this one is, there you go, 10,050 mAh, Supreme Mophie. It runs through this way, all the way to the back. You have your cables in the back. I guess it's for your iPad. And oh, it's an Android and an iPhone plug. Unlike the earlier one, which was just an iPhone plug, it's this one. It just had an iPhone plug, but you could break this apart for an Android plug. This one's got both separate. And the last one, god damn, this one. So the one that's open, the 10,050 mAh, has a 59 hours charge on your smartphone and 24 hours on your tablet. This one, on the other hand, if I can manage to yank it out. Okay. This one's a fucking 20k. 105 hours on your smartphone and 37 hours on your tablet. It's fucking big. Oh man, this is like a fucking brick. So amazing. Even that gets recorded. Oh man, this one's like a fucking brick though. Look at that. Solid. Wait, alright, that's done with. The power banks are done. Get this out of the way. You know, I bought Supreme undies last time, and I bought size M because that's what I wear. But they were like super tight. But before I get into the undies, some more room service. The benefits of being at the Trident Hotel. Really good. Alright, so this time I picked up the checkerboard undies from Supreme. They're Hanes, regular Hanes with the black waistband and checkerboard design. I hope these at least fit me. I mean, they're super long, so it says the small is a 30 waist size. That might have been a bad call because I am a 32. I just have to try them on to know. If not, they're still sitting on their website, so I'll just get another one. And last but not the least, my friends Bhavisha and Meenakshi have launched their own collective called Capsule. I shopped from them, I think it's been about a month, over a month, but I never got to unbox it or wear it. And from their pop-up in Delhi, I picked up this 100s t-shirt. It's Anwar by Carrots. Right? says the hundreds by Anwar Carrots. It's got a nice embroidery in the back which says 1980. And it's a full sleeve, salmon colored. That's how they sold it to me. I mean, they were telling me that it's a really nice color, it's salmon, and I was like, I gotta have it. And obviously you have your embroidered carrot right there at the end of the sleeve. Unfortunately though, I had to go with an XL size because that's the only size they had left at the pop-up, which was rather successful. So more power to you guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description to Capsul. Go shop at them. And now, the hero of the show, like the title says, and you can tell from the box, it's an adidas UltraBoost. Regular UltraBoost paper, regular UltraBoost box. I would think it would come in a consortium kind of a box, but I mean it is an Undefeated Collab, but it comes in your usual box, and there are the sneakers. Now everybody's been complaining about these being a very underwhelming collab and it's a lazy collab and nothing much was done to the sneaker, but that prime knit pattern right there from the 1.0, that's the only reason I wanted it. Obviously you have your text Undefeated running through the sneaker. You can't really tell what it is unless you know what you're looking at or unless you know what you're looking for. But let's go quickly through the sneaker. It's got a fused toe guard right there. Undefeated in a rubber vinyl kind of a paint. Plastic cages, not clear, not milky, nothing. All blacked out. Heel cuff with the UltraBoost words blacked out as well. The front is prime knit. The tongue though, interestingly, is neoprene, and the back is mesh like the 1.0, just like the 1.0. Man, this is nice. This is nice. I like it. Obviously, your midsole is your typical UltraBoost outsole in white. You have your black fusing right there and a black torsion system. Same carries over to the other pair. Your insole says Undefeated on it, if you can see it right there, and says adidas Performance Training Program, blah 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 blah. And the tongue, of course, the right side pair has the Undefeated logo and the left side has the adidas logo on it. I've been beating up my NMD White Mountain earrings and UltraBoost gold medals and the Parley UltraBoost ever since I moved to Bombay, which has been like 80 days now. So I'm glad I can add another one to the rotation. I'm going to quickly slip these on feet to show you what they look like. And until next time, you guys, peace. That's the sneaker I just unboxed. This is what the haul looks like. And that's Cheryl's Supreme t-shirt. I taught you well. One of those! Alright, one thing I forgot. It came with these spare laces. But I'm going to stick to the black ones. Yeah, I just needed to get my sneakers. Left them behind. Leave his
pissed off face that I